Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll look at how organizations and news outlets like VoteCompass use interactive political surveys to engage voters and drive civic participation. It will guide users through a series of thought-provoking questions about their political views and values. The result? A revealing, personalized experience that feels less like a questionnaire and more like a genuine conversation about values. The best part? You can build the exact same experience inside Outgrow in just a few minutes. Let's walk through it together. Log into your Outgrow account and select the quiz. You'll be presented with three ways to get started. Build from scratch, full creative control, built entirely to your specifications. Pre-built template, the fastest path to launch with a ready-made structure you can customize. AI-generated quiz, a smart, automated setup that gets you running with minimal effort. For this walkthrough, we'll use a pre-built template to get up and running quickly. First impressions matter. Start with a compelling, curiosity-driven title that immediately speaks to your audience, something like Uncover Your Political Persona. Next, upload a striking, on-brand background image or video. This sets the visual tone the moment someone lands on your quiz and plays a significant role in whether they engage or bounce. Now for the most important part, crafting questions that reflect your organization's voice. Here are some examples to get you started. How would you prioritize the following issues? What is your stance on the government's role in the economy? How important is addressing income inequality to you? Do you support stricter gun control laws? What is your view on abortion rights? How would you rate the current administration's performance? And many more. Keep the language neutral, thoughtful, and accessible. For each possible outcome, you can fully customize the results screen. In this case, each outcome might correspond to a different political position or alignment. Match to the user's selected answers. Map each answer option to the right outcome and make every result feel genuinely insightful. This is the moment where engagement converts into deeper understanding, so put real thought into making each result feel balanced and valuable. Navigate to the Design tab for the final polish. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom fonts, and adjust layouts. The goal? Your quiz should feel like a seamless, professional extension of your organization's brand. Before going live, click the eye icon to preview your survey end-to-end. Walk through every question, verify each result, and confirm the overall experience feels seamless and polished. Don't skip this step. A smooth preview is a strong signal that your audience will have a great experience. Once you're satisfied, hit Go Live. Outgrow gives you flexible options for sharing your survey. Standalone URL, share directly via email, social media, or paid campaigns. Embed, integrate it seamlessly into your site. In just a few steps, you've built a fully interactive, personalized political quiz, the same kind that organizations use to engage voters, drive participation, and understand their audience's values. Ready to get started? Build smarter, more engaging political surveys today with Outgrow. Sign up to try it now.